The Samajwadi Party and the Congress seems to be taking a jibe and taunting Rashtriya Lok Dal Chief Jayant Chaudhary for not being accommodated on the dais, sitting right next to the Prime Minister when the meeting of the National Democratic Alliance lawmakers, saying that it was an insult to Chaudhary and also to the Jat community. The BJP, however, believes that Jayant Chaudhary was not paid part of when it comes to the individual sitting on the dais because of space constraints, but the RLD says it is not a big deal.
चौधरी जैन जी चौधरी चरण सिंह जी के पोते हैं, अजीत सिंह जी के बेटे हैं। उन्होंने कभी अपने कपड़ों में नील तीनोपाल नहीं लगाया और चौधरी चरण सिंह जी ने जाके लाल किले से जो भाषण दिया, जिस ड्रेस में वो रोज पहनते थे उसी ड्रेस में जाके भाषण दिया। तो बैठना कहाँ है, क्या है, उसका ज्यादा जैन जी पे फर्क नहीं पड़ता। जैन जी संघर्ष करने वाले आदमी, जमीन के आदमी है। और जहां तक बात है, आज की पब्लिक समझदार हो गई है कि जो नीचे बैठते हैं उन्हें ऊपर बैठाते हैं और जो ऊपर बैठने की होड़ में रहते हैं वो नीचे बैठा देते हैं। तो जो जहां तक बात है, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी की और माननीय गृह मंत्री जी को, जैन जी को बहुत प्यार करते हैं। कहीं कोई भूल चूक हो गई होगी, मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है वो इतना प्यार करते हैं, वो सब चीजों का ध्यान रखें।
Well, let me go across to Adeep now. Adeep, good morning. Over this issue, with the opposition seems to be pinpointing, is an issue being made out of a non-issue?
Well, definitely, Amita, the opposition is attacking BJP and RLD, both parties, for when Jayant was sitting between the audience and not on the stage. Opposition, especially Samajwadi Party, is saying that Jayant, who has got 2 seats in Uttar Pradesh, is sitting among the audience, while those who have got only 1 seat, such as Apna Dal, which is of Anupriya Patel, they are sitting with the Prime Minister on the dais. So it's an insult to the Jat leaders and the backward community. Similarly, Congress is also attacking BJP and RLD. They are saying that BJP has always been anti-Jat and anti-backward, and this is how they are respecting, this is how they are showing respect to Jat leaders by making Jayant Chaudhary sit in between the audience. And not only this, but Samajwadi Party also went on to say that when Jayant Chaudhary was with us, we know how to respect our allies, and Samajwadi Party has always respected its allies, but now he's with BJP and this is how he is being treated with the BJP. We have RLD on the other hand. RLD is saying that it's not a big deal, and it might be some technical issue on the committee who had been placing all the leaders where they have to sit, so it might be a minor issue with them.
Right, but the party has been reacting, saying that it is not a big deal at all. However, the opposition, Adeep, has been raising the issue that the parties who have only won 1 seat, they were the individuals who were seated right next to the Prime Minister.
Well, definitely, Amita, the persons who were sitting right beside Prime Minister Modi, and with him, one of them was Anupriya Patel. Anupriya Patel has just won only 1 seat in Uttar Pradesh, while RLD has won 2 seats, and Jayant Chaudhary was sitting in the audience and not with the Prime Minister. So opposition has clearly made this an issue, but RLD is saying that it's not a big deal for us. If Jayant Chaudhary is sitting over there, we are the partners of NDA and we will continue to be with NDA. Meanwhile, Samajwadi Party is saying that we know how to respect all our allies, and now Jayant Chaudhary is with BJP and this is how he is being treated, and this is how BJP is showing respect to the Jat leaders.
All right, please to stay on with us. As you mentioned that the RLD has come out with a reaction saying that it is not a big deal, what the opposition seems to be thinking. So let's listen into what the RLD leaders have to say.
चौधरी जैन जी चौधरी चरण सिंह जी के पोते हैं, अजीत सिंह जी के बेटे हैं। उन्होंने कभी अपने कपड़ों में नील तीनोपाल नहीं लगाया और चौधरी चरण सिंह जी ने जाके लाल किले से जो भाषण दिया, जिस ड्रेस में वो रोज पहनते थे उसी ड्रेस में जाके भाषण दिया। तो बैठना कहाँ है, क्या है, उसका ज्यादा जैन जी पे फर्क नहीं पड़ता। जैन जी संघर्ष करने वाले आदमी, जमीन के आदमी है। और जहां तक बात है, आज की पब्लिक समझदार हो गई है कि जो नीचे बैठते हैं उन्हें ऊपर बैठाते हैं और जो ऊपर बैठने की होड़ में रहते हैं वो नीचे बैठा देते हैं। तो जो जहां तक बात है, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी की और माननीय गृह मंत्री जी को, जैन जी को बहुत प्यार करते हैं। कहीं कोई भूल चूक हो गई होगी, मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है वो इतना प्यार करते हैं, वो सब चीजों का ध्यान रखें।
Ghanshyam Tiwari ji is with us. Sir, good morning to you. Is an issue being made out of a non-issue? That is what the RLD seems to be saying now.
Good morning. Jayant Chaudhary ji was beaten up by police of Uttar Pradesh by lathis. And it is SP and the workers of RLD that stood together with him against this injustice. That atrocity-based mind of BJP is not lost out to anybody. BJP believes in dictatorship. They believe in finishing off every ally. Their next target will be to finish off Jayant Chaudhary's party and his leadership.
All right. Another allegation that is now being leveled. Thank you very much, Mr. Tiwari, for your point of view. This is what the Samajwadi Party seems to think, but the RLD is now downplaying the issue, saying that there is not such kind of an issue, that it is now being made out by the opposition.